Some days all I want to do is sit down with a sketchbook, a cup of coffee and just draw. But life is always busy. Between running my art business, working full time and finding creative time can sometimes be a challenge. So today I'm sharing a little behind the scenes of drawing, creating content and making the most of the in-between moments. Hi, I'm Leanne and I'm the founder of Frame Your World Co. I make whimsical illustration and gifts to inspire your world. Life moves fast. We rush from one task to the next, constantly thinking ahead, and sometimes I find the most beautiful moments aren't in the big milestones, they're just the quiet, simple ones, like the first sip of morning coffee or warmth of fresh croissant and that satisfaction of sketching just for fun. That's what today is for me. Today is where I wanted to slow down and capture one of those small joys in my iPad. No pressure, no thinking, just drawing for the sake of it. There is something calming about putting pen to paper, or in this case, iPencil to iPad. Letting the lines just flow without the worrying of perfection. I feel like I forget that creativity doesn't always have to be productive. It doesn't have to be for work or for a product or for a client or even for an audience. It could and can be just for you and me. And sketching small everyday objects like this one, I started sketching a croissant and some strawberries and cream, is just really my way of slowing down and enjoying the moment. It reminds me that creativity isn't about the outcome, it's actually about the experiences that we have and the feeling of getting lost in the detail, just watching those shapes take form as the lines and the colours come out, enjoying the process as much as the final piece, I feel is so important. I wonder, what is one small moment in your day that brings you joy? Maybe it's that morning coffee or a quiet walk with your pet, or even just doodling in a notebook. Let me know in the comments because I would love to hear what small moments you treasure. We live in a world that glorifies business, constantly chasing the next goal, the next big thing. But I think sometimes the most meaningful parts of life happen in the in-between moments. You know, those ones where we're not rushing through. And I've been thinking a lot about this recently, about how creativity teaches us to pause, to appreciate what's in front of us. And when I look back at some of my own favourite memories, they aren't the big ones, the most exciting milestones, they're actually the ones in the quiet, simple moments that you blink and you might miss. Sketching, for example, in a cafe with my favourite coffee and a banana bread. I'm thinking about Chiswick here and one of my favourite coffee shops in that area. Or sitting by the window with a notebook and a cup of tea. Maybe it's why I love drawing the little things like this. It's a way to hold on to those small joys and make them last a little bit longer. there it is, we're reaching the finished piece almost. It's not perfect, but that's the beauty of it. And if you ever feel stuck creatively, or if life feels like it's moving too fast, why not try and take 5 minutes out to slow down and sketch something small? You don't need an iPad, you can have a pen and paper. It doesn't need to be fancy. Just take a moment for yourself and allow it to be your moment. Thanks for spending this time with me today. If you like this, let me know. Should I do more of real-time sketching videos? And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you along for this creative journey. But until next time, take care and keep creating.